not just a random situation. Hello friends, this is Yundel, and today's share, it's just a reminder to each and every one of us. It's not just a random situation. Many times, things are happening in our life without our control. It happens for a reason. It happens for a good purpose in your life, and that we have to face. Each and every one of us have to face it no matter what. It can be so frustrating, and we think it's just a random situation. It happens without our control. Stop for a moment and think that God let it happen for you to succeed, for you to fulfill your destiny, for you to reach the goals and successes in life. It's not just a random situation. It happens for a reason, and that we have to understand. Whether we like it or not, we have to understand what is going on with our life. We have to face the difficulties, the trials, the frustrating moments, and that we must be mature enough to accept and embrace it. If someone have told you that this situation can cause you a heartbreak, stop for a moment and believe that God is in control. It's not just a losses, we're not random, and that God was working out His plan. You are going to go farther where never in your family have gone. You are going to declare and believe in God that is working in your life. Remember, God is a sovereign God. If God is for you, nothing will be against you. God will decide the decision which is best for you. He will bring you greater than ever before. You have to understand that things are happening for a reason, and by that, you have to be open to grow. Be open to be a broad-minded person. Be encouraged that God can bring great joy from your heartache. Don't believe those lies that you are just a nobody and will experience disappointment and heartaches. We all have to go through that. We all have to experience the heartaches, the frustration. It is a part of our life journey, and that we have to be wise enough to think that we are learning from it. Encourage yourself that God will bring you greater than ever before. Those random situations that is happening in our life, we have just to face it with courage and walk with it. God will bring you to the other side of the situation. Again, I want to remind you that the key here is being grateful. Be grateful of this random situation that hurts you. Be grateful with that, knowing that God knows the best when it comes to the difficulties that come into your life. Thanking Him that He is a sovereign God and have plans in your life. His plans are always so much more fulfilling and bigger than your plans. Just simply believe and declare that God is in control. He is directing your path despite of the random situation. He is directing your path. He is guiding you. He is there with you. Believe in Him because He has full control of our life. And the K is just being grateful whatsoever you are facing in your day-to-day life. Be grateful of the random situation because you learn from it. And that can let you grow and move you forward to the next level of your life situation. See, thank you for this random situation. I will be moving forward to the next level of my life. This is Shuntel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you supporting me here in my Yundel channel. I love you all and bye-bye.